For most people, the most important parts of the decision to buy a new home are location and value. Both are top priorities at this community nestled near downtown Delaware. Welcome to Old Colony Estates. I'm Caitlin. Want an easy commute into Columbus or anywhere in the local area? You've got it with I-71 so close by. Everything you need is right at hand, from weekly groceries to specialty produce at the local farmers market. Polaris Fashion Place also has all the latest style and trends. How about a fun Saturday afternoon in the great outdoors? Just head over to Delaware State Park or the greens of Hidden Valley, North Star, or Bent Tree golf courses. Then, call the babysitter for a Saturday night out to dinner in downtown Delaware, followed by a movie at the Strand Theater. When you return, you'll come back to a brand new home with up to 5 bedrooms, a wide open floor plan, and a full finished basement. You can choose from a ranch or 2-story home with a craftsman or traditional exterior design and stone or brick accents. Your children will love the community's playground after a day at acclaimed Delaware City schools. Step up to a brand new way to live at Old Colony Estates in Delaware. Click the orange Contact Us button to arrange your visit and discover the new Ryan Homes community that will feel like an old friend.